Quite a bit of roosters. They're struggling right now in this heat. They got water everywhere. It's real hot right now in Texas. Hopefully they all make it because they're going to freezer camp. Well, I've got most of it cleaned up. I got that cage right there moved. I need to move these two cages on this side over here because they're fixing to become chicken grow outs. But I got the fire going. We're actually not under a burn ban today. So I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna mow the rest of them stumps down and finish raking. So I need something. I'm taking a break from outside right now, guys. It's got too hot. So I need something for my nesting boxes. And I had this old piece of foam. So I'm thinking I'm gonna stick this old piece of foam in their nesting box area and put some hay on top of it. That way they can't really pick at that, hopefully. But I'm gonna have to cut it up. I'm gonna cut them into little squares and put in there. That way, if they do sit on there, maybe it'll cushion the eggs so they don't break the eggs. But I don't know. I guess we'll find out, y'all. All right. So I counted that I needed 14, and I thought I was gonna throw this away, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably keep it. I'll put it in a trash bag and keep it somewhere. Because, you know, you never know what else you may need that for. Dog house, you know, cat house, something. Who knows? I'm going to go put these in the chicken houses. Okay. Here we are at our chicken area. I'm going to put these in the chicken house. Or nesting box, I guess you could say. Get back. No. Now, I've been slowly catching these black chickens. Because right now, I'm not getting any eggs, so hopefully some of these other chickens are laying eggs. I can hear them laying eggs somewhere. Hey, these fit perfectly. Yeah, nice. I don't know if I'll actually go and put any hay on top of there because they feel kind of comfortable the way they are. Let me show y'all. Oh, get your tubby butts off there. I'm not feeding anybody. But yeah, they fit in there very well. And I got my fake eggs in there too, so that the chickens know where they should be laying their eggs. You know how that goes. Chickens do whatever they want. How'd y'all knock y'all's bowl over, guys? Need to fill that back up. Maybe this way too, in the winter, whenever they're laying, if they lay eggs, they won't freeze their bums. Sadly, I think one of my, oh no, never mind. I was gonna say one of my fake eggs is missing, but it's not. All right, yay. So now they can be comfy whenever they are laying their eggs. Hopefully they'll start laying eggs again. Stop picking at those worms. Yeah, I've been trying to catch all these black ones that I had loose. Those are Jersey Giant mix. Because here pretty soon they should start laying eggs. Then I got my two big roosters, the silver one, and then that white one. That red one is probably going to go to freezer camp with everybody else. So, still got quite a ways to go to catch some more of those chickens. But one project after another. So I've worked really hard this morning, guys. I needed to really get that finished. So I got everything cut down. I got that cage moved. I got everything burned. They're still burning, you know. We're gonna move this cage here and this cage here, like I said before, this way. Because over there, my plan is to make a buck pen going down Let me walk over there with you. My plan is to just make a smaller buck pen because I only plan on having 1 or 2 bucks. I think I'm going to be in the market for a bigger Nigerian male. Because 3 of those are going to freezer camp. They'll be freezer camp bucks. And so I'm going to need a bigger Nigerian male. So what I'm going to do is, from here, I'm going to make this gate to where it opens this way instead of this way. So I'll just swap the things. But I'm going to start that fence from here, and it's going to go all the way down, kind of how I had it before. And then my son, or me and my son, we're going to build a goat house under here, under this tree. Because I don't want to put it too close to the fence. I don't want them to jump on it and jump over the fence. So it's going to have to technically be built around this tree. Or at least right here in like this area right here. I want to build it maybe right here. And too, it gives them shade and stuff. A little bit of protection from the sun and the rain. But yeah, these cages, so this cage, like I said, this cage is going to go here, and so is the one behind me, because I'm going to start trying to raise, I'm going to try to start raising those Cornish cross chickens or the red broilers. That way we can have, you know, some chicken and stuff. And eventually I do want to start me another little farm stand. That way I'll be able to put some of that stuff out there. But we got everything burning. I need to get out there in the pig area and throw all that, and over there in the goat area and throw theirs too. I wonder if I can get in the goat. I think I locked it. But that way these guys, they'll have their own area also, and they're not, I don't know why they get underneath that pallet. That clearly that cage right there has a top on it. So I don't know why they sleep underneath there. But I'm gonna go through here. Nice, I like that I kept it open. Come on, Ruggy, come in. But all the bucks are in here for whatever reason, trying to get out of the heat. It is already hot. I think it's like 10 o'clock and it's already humid as all get out. And we ain't getting no rain, and today's supposed to be 106. So I really gotta start, I gotta check on my rabbits. Oh, I checked them earlier and fed. They were fine. But if it's gonna be 106, then, you know, we're gonna be fairly hot today, y'all. Let's see if I can throw this over there onto that pile. So we won't be letting the sunflowers do that no more. I mean, they were beautiful, don't get me wrong. But the aftermath of that is very time consuming and lots of labor. So we won't be doing that no more. I mean, if they want to grow along that back fence, by all means, go ahead. But not out in the middle and all that stuff how they were. Because next year I have big plans for this area. During the winter, I'm going to let the cows and the goats both have that area. Whenever I get the bucks put up, they'll have that area. That way they can kind of fertilize it and, you know, get some good fertilization on there. Because I do have plans for that area. I want to grow in that area again in the spring. And yeah, with them fertilizing it, it'll be great. I'll get out there with my tiller like I did this spring and till it all up. And I'm probably going to open the gate so the pigs can come out and just kind of root around maybe. They're not really the rooting kind, but it'll be okay. And I'm also debating on giving them that other garden area that they're in permanently. That way they can just have a bigger area. Because whenever the babies come, they're clearly going to need a bigger area. And I think that is perfect for them. I'll just have to do a little blocking the fence off so the babies don't go in the neighbor's yard. Lots of work, guys. Lots and lots of work. I'm trying to get as much as I can done before my surgery. I don't know how many times I've said that, but I don't mean to be a broken record here, but it's very true. Oh, I also need to go pick up my medicine today, too. So, we'll probably do that later. Because they don't close till 6, so. And I put these tires over here because I want to make the goats like a playground type situation here. So we'll probably do that. Ow. Oh, come on. That should burn. At least you'd think it would. What are y'all doing? So I'm actually going to put the buck in with them in October. That way they can have babies in March. I don't know. We'll see. They've all been trying to get to the males already. I'm surprised Sadie and Oreo ain't over here. Ah, they're over there in where the cows are. Now, let's talk about the cows for just a second. So Melissa went into heat. I'm pretty sure Theodore did his duty and did what he was supposed to. Now, Rosie is usually right behind Melissa in the heat cycle, and she hasn't came into heat yet that I've seen. So, I mean, like I say, I haven't seen him like after her and, you know, all that good stuff. But I guess we'll find out here in about a week or so, because they usually come into heat about the same time, and he hasn't been after her. So I'm hoping that he actually bred her the last time that she came in heat, because I seen him mount about 7 times. Here come the tubbies. Why your belly so big? Eating a lot of hay? Oreo, be nice. You little gremlins, huh? You're gremlins. Yeah, you got a pretty face. I'm gonna order y'all's milk stand today. Yeah, pretty face. Yeah, you gonna be handsome. Roggy, please don't roll in poop. I don't have time for all that, dude. But guys, slowly but surely, we're getting stuff done. I'm just trying to, in my mindset, I'm planning for the future. Technically, you're not supposed to do that because you never know what can happen. But at least everything will be done if something happens. Phew, it's hot already. I'm gonna finish picking up this stuff, throwing it over there. Lots of work. Like I said before, you know, homesteading is not for the faint of heart. You need to be able or willing, not even able, you need to be willing to do the hard work that comes with it. And sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Get off that fence, Sadie. Well, my shoe's about to get real dirty. Please don't splatter mud on me. There we go. I do still need to come out here and clean up on this side, but I think I'm gonna wait till it gets cold, or cooler at least, to do that. I don't know if that's gonna catch again. I need to come out here and sweep everything and just set it on fire too. And that's what I usually do. Come on, you gonna catch again or not? My eyes. Smoke with my eyes. Well, neighborhood dogs are throwing a fit for whatever reason. Can't wait till I get that buck pen built. And guys, I think I'm going to end it here. About ready to go in and take a shower. I need to go get my medicine, and we'll see y'all in the next one. God bless, guys. Well, Todd's not here to say goodbye, so we'll say, Sadie. She said nope.